So after I'm done washing, this is my hair with no products on it. So I'm not holding my head back. This is where my hair is falling now. When I cut it, it was up here. Today's maintenance, as I stated, I'm just going to be going in and lightly retwisting. It doesn't take a whole lot. Yes, I do use my oils to retwist. And I just want to show you how easy it is with the oil. So I'm going to separate the hair. And I'm going to wrap any frizzy strands I see. And I'm going to finish with a palm roll, okay? So this side I've retwisted in the front and this side I haven't. You can just tell by the amount of frizz and volume that this side has compared to this one. I don't know, 15 minutes later, it don't take me a long time. Again, I'm not going for a super polished look. I just wanted to look a little bit more neater, not as much frizz from that wash. As you can see, my GoldiLocsNC hair products did not let me down. I've been waiting on a sign to go try it. This is your sign to go try it.